Welcome to our channel. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to create a gel polish ombre with a winter sky design. These are the products I will use in this video. If we were working on natural nail, we will have to apply the Urban Graffiti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Cap the edge and cure for 30 seconds. So we're going to apply a first coat of Snow White. Cap the edge and cure for 30 seconds. Now we're going to use the Midnight Skies from the Shimmer collection. I put a little bit on my palette because we're going to use sponge to do our design. Dip your sponge into the color and pat off the excess. Apply to the cuticle area first and work your way down the nail. Flash cure for 10 seconds. Repeat the process a second time. Flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to use a Chimney Sweep and I'm going to put some drop on my palette. And again, I will use a sponge to do the cuticle area first. Flash cure for 10 seconds. I feel it needs one more coat. Make sure to look for all angles to ensure you have the full coverage. And cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use Snow White on my palette with a 001 detail brush to create the stars. Make sure you support the finger while doing detail artwork. Start the design with a cross and fill out the center. I'm using gel polish, but you also can use acrylic paint. Flash cure for 10 seconds. Add more detail to the star. I'm using the 001 detail brush. Now I will add more stars to complete the night sky. cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. Cap the free edge and cure for 30 seconds. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used in this video will be in the description box below. Until next time, have a Merry Christmas and au revoir!